Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the error code NW-102216-2. Something went wrong, and basically this is also a connection issue error, or this is going to be an error on their end. So the error for this is pretty simple. So let's just say you have the application open and it's popping up. The first thing you guys are going to do is just simply close the application, and you can do that by clicking on the PlayStation button and then go to the game right here, and then click on the game, and then just go ahead and click close game. And then once you're done with that, start the game back up and check to see if that fixes. If that does not work, the second method you guys can try doing is going to power and then go to restart PlayStation 5. You don't even have to turn it back on, it automatically turns back on. So once you do that, you should also be good to go. And then the third and final method you guys can do is simply just restart your Wi-Fi router, and it's pretty simple to do that as well. All you have to do is just unplug the Wi-Fi router, like the wires in the back of the router. Wait a few minutes, plug it back in, and then you should be good to go. And then go to network and then make sure everything is signed in. And once you do restart your router, just go ahead and turn your PlayStation off, turn it back on, and then check to see if that fixes. And once you're done with that, you should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.